My name is Gerhard Auer, and I'm running the business for Accedian in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Our portfolio expanded quite heavily over the last 3 to 5 years, partially through acquisitions and partially through homegrown developments. Accedian was born out of the carrier market, basically, which gives us a great advantage of knowing how to scale products and solutions here, especially for enterprise. We acquired a company into the enterprise market, which we have evolved and merged now. And now we offer for carriers and enterprises secured network performance monitoring solutions end-to-end. The main focus is we want to take complexity out for our customers while we help them to address security threats, which they normally have not an eye on, because traditional security solutions are solutions which either protect the perimeter or the endpoints. Now the endpoints still exist, but in nowadays world, the perimeters don't exist anymore because everybody has connections to the outside world, whether it's through cloud, apps, and what have you. So perimeter-based solutions don't protect your network anymore because you have no defined perimeter anymore. So what's even more important than ever is to detect suspicious behavior on a line, on a network, and as early as possible, because our study has shown that typical hackers are active on networks already at least 12 months before you even detect them, when they launch an attack, and then it's too late. So we want to take complexity out and enable our customers to detect suspicious activity as early as possible in the network to lock the bad guys out. We have a secured performance monitoring tool, right? So we combine both solutions in a single solution because we are using the same data which we collect from the network for performance, as well as to detect deviations from the baseline, which is suspicious, could be seen as suspicious behavior here from a security solution. What we do on top is, because I said, taking complexity out. Other than large customers or governmental customers who want to get these solutions deployed into their own perimeters, etc., small and medium type of customers, healthcare customers, banks, financial vertical, and all this, want to have quick solutions, cloud deployed solutions, right? While securing the perimeters here in a country, rather than having the data leaving the country. So this is where our partnership with SecureNet kicks in. They are holding basically a managed service platform, a cloud-based platform in a country here to secure the data for our customers here, not leaving the country, and we can spin it up for every customer in minutes rather than in days or weeks, and at the lowest possible cost because it's cloud hosted and managed. When you take a traditional enterprise, you have your CIO organization and the CISO organization, right? The CIO organization is the organization which takes a look at performance and securing, from a performance perspective, the perimeters or the losing perimeters, if you will, right? Versus CISOs have a much wider security focus, right? So we are more targeting to bridge both worlds, the CISO world and the CIO world, to have really secured network performance management. Now we're getting in an area where obviously it gets a very broad skills which is involved here, from network performance over security, and obviously that's not easy to find in a single person, what have you. So we need a variety of partners here which help our customers get this done, and this is why we have decided to partner with SecureNet, because they have basically all the skills in the organization. We have trained them, transferred them, and they are helping as a VAT, offering this managed service solution through their partners to the end customers. I think there are a couple of things which are in a pipeline, and some are coming sooner, and some obviously takes a little bit more time, but we are certainly going into more of prescriptive analytics to enable even less skilled people to see in real text what's going on, rather than showing just in engineering code, in bits and bytes, what's going on. I think that's, especially from a security perspective, very important, so that people can immediately see whether that's a real threat or it's just, suspicious behavior, which turns out, just one user just doing something else, right? So the next thing is predictive analytics, so that we can go back in time, basically, or predict the future, if you will, what's going to happen if this, consists for a while on your network, right? And the other thing is, the solutions were built based on this cloud native intention for DevOps environments, right? But what we are adding here as well is for DevApp environment, because what's very important is enterprise networks need to be very flexible and dynamic nowadays. You have many apps coming onto your networks for your customers, etc. So you need to literally enable app developer to drop an app onto your network, right? And instantly see how is the app performing. Do I need to change something in my code, etc. Right? And that's something which is just around the corner here. We are enabling as well to get interfaces into the app developer world, right? So that app developer can test the application on the fly in a network, how it's performing for the benefit of the enterprises and end users.